Hello Kabalay, another day, another real estate video. Kabalay, JM Balog here from Desire Realty. Kabalay, papakita ko sa inyo yung ating two house model, no? Para at least magkaroon ko ng idea dito sa ating Sugarland Estate. Pakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung two model houses that we have here. The first one na makikita nyo dito sa Sugarland Estate, located lang po ito sa Tesamatres, Cavite. This is the perspective ng ating gate, no? Yan, entrance and exit. As you can see, with landscape na yan. And then mga kabalay, this is the Asukar basic unit. 120 ang ating pong lot area, minimum 60 ang ating floor area. As is na po, ayan, may car park. As you can see, modern design yung ating architecture dito. This is the, of course, the living area, kitchen area, and dining area. So may space ka pa dito if you wish for your car park to expand later on. So this is the perspective of our Asukar single detached. Yan mga kabalay. So this one, yan, yung ating top view, and this one, we can have an option here for your future expansion. Yun ang kagandaan for a single detached, no property. This one naman is Caramelo, expanded. Mas malaki, 120 minimum, and then 82 square meter ang ating floor area. As you can see, yan, mas well spacious yung floor areas niya, no? So, kompleto tayo dito. If you're a big family, this one is right for you. So, 6 table, dining table here, may dining area, wall architecture, mas malaki space natin dito. And this one is the outside of Carmelo unit, expanded. As you can see, this is the carport, modern design. Same with the Asukar. Yan kabalay ang ating perspective. That's the end of our quick, giving you a quick updates. This is your Kabalay JM Balog from Desire Realty. As always, choose your lifestyle, choose your home. Use Kabalay. Thank you for watching.